In front of me is DOOGEE V30 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it and choose OK in Welcome pop-up. Then tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. After all that, you can close your app and go into the menu. Now tap on this icon of a paper and a pen next to the gear one at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and look for Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it, drag it to your tap menu and let go. Then go back. Following that, you can finally click on Caffeine shortcut. And as you can see after that, it was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!